Hi guys, today we're going to talk to students from NIBM and Mihir and Shreya. So we want to talk about your story from CMAT exam, how you converted CMAT exam and your NIBM and now finally getting the job on campus as well. So the first thing first, I want to know what the background, where you from and how much you study for CMAT. क्योंकि अगर कोई मुझे बोलता ना कि मैंने CMAT के लिए डेडिकेटेड तैयारी की, मतलब बचपन से मेरा CMAT देने का प्लान था, तो मतलब झूठ है. ठीक है, you might have been preparing for the CAT exam or CET other exams and then CMAT आ गया बीच में and you gave the exam. So what is your background and what's your story for CMAT point of view?
Okay, so I did my graduation in botany from DU and then I decided to go for an MBA. So like all other, I was also preparing for CAT, ZAT. So I did not get a good percentile in CAT. So then I decided that I will appear for CMAT. So for CMAT, I think most part of it, like the maths, English, the reasoning part, once you prepare for CAT, so it becomes a little easy. But then the GK part and the innovation and
how many mocks you might have given?
Sir, I gave 10 to 12 mocks for CMAT, yeah.
So if you are prepared for the CAT exam, 10 to 12 mocks are good enough to finally get a 95% plus at least.
Correct.
So how about you? What's the background?
Sir, so I have done my Bachelor of Management Studies from KJ Somaya, Mumbai. And then I was, as you said, I was preparing for CAT. So just for CMAT, you just have to give mocks. So 10-12 mocks was the number I gave. And I was not expecting my score, to come more. But due to my ACADS and the interview went well, so I converted NIBM.
Correct. So when we talk about the CMAT exam, of course we do need to prepare the maths, logic, CAT में cover हो रहा है. If you prepare your CET exam, उसमें cover हो रहा है. We don't need any speed game as well because CET में CMAT में time है. But main thing is innovation and GK section. So उसके लिए आपने कुछ extra tips कुछ किया था?
Yes. So for the extra part, took the help of YouTube videos. सारे free sources से, your sources, your videos helped a lot, and other YouTube videos as well. So yeah, that was enough for me.
Sir, for me the entrepreneurship section, so main thing was if you read newspaper or you go through the news every day, I think that would help because most of the questions came from the recent happenings only.
Correct.
So that was the main thing, and obviously the YouTube videos, obviously it helps.
Correct. So what we have done is we have created this GK Bible, GK and Innovation Bible. ठीक है, आज तक जितने भी क्वेश्चन आए उसमें डाल दिए. Lot of times same question come in the exam, so that can help as well. They are available on the YouTube also. तो link मैं उसका वीडियो में डाल दूँगा, so you can check out the links as well. So now come the main point, how NIBM happened. So coming from Delhi to NIBM Pune, coming from Mumbai to NIBM Pune, so how this thing happened?
So actually I wasn't ready to take a course to do my MBA in finance. I was hesitant at first, but then I have my brother who has also done his MBA. So he convinced me कि you don't need hardcore maths नहीं चाहिए, हाँ, you only need to have a knack of numbers, तो काफ़ी है banking और finance के लिए. And then NIBM Pune, actually one of my relatives came here for teaching the executive program. So I got to know from him that okay, this college is here and it's really good for the kind of fees it takes and the kind of investment it gives.
Correct.
Sir, actually I didn't know about NIBM, so I saw one of your videos, the Hidden Gem.
Yeah, so आज भी Hidden Gem ये college है.
हाँ, तो उसकी वजह से मुझे पता चला और जब मैंने वीडियो देखा उस दिन लास्ट डे था अप्लाई करने का. तो शाम को 4 बजे एप्लीकेशन किया और इंटरव्यू हो गया तो फाइनली आई कन्वर्टेड NIBM.
And the best part is this area is called NIBM.
Yeah.
And people don't know why it's called NIBM. Yesterday in the pub, so मैं तो पीता नहीं हूँ, मैं तो वैसे देखने गया था बस लोगों को. तो I literally asked him कि ये NIBM का मतलब क्या है? कहता नहीं, वही जगह का नाम है NIBM बस. So this campus is hidden inside NIBM also. Yes. So that's the one part. So the best part which I like about NIBM apart from the campus and everything, of course it's a beautiful campus, heritage campus, is the ROI.
Yes.
So the ROI is good. That's one of the main factor, especially in the exam like CMAT where the ROI is not that great for few colleges. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे there are some colleges, I don't name them, fees is 15 lakhs, average package 6 लाख. तो वो आके वहाँ पे आके आप कंपेयर करने जाओगे तो obviously NIBM is way better. And plus it's a legacy program. If you want to go for finance, this is better than in fact few of the IIMs as well.
Correct.
And I was talking to one guy जो TIS छोड़ के आया. Can you believe me? Someone have left TIS HR program flagship program with a 27-28 lakh package and came and joined NIBM because of the love for finance. Okay, so there are people. So if you want to go into finance, everybody know the college. That's one main advantage. So in the interviews you have scored less marks, 95 percentile. So did you felt any kind of a hindrance? आपको लगा कि मेरे marks कम है तो मेरे को problem आएगा इंटरव्यू में?
सर वो लगा मुझे, लेकिन फिर मेरे एकेड्स अच्छे थे और इफ़ यू प्रिपेयर गुड इंटरव्यू में क्या होता है कि कम्युनिकेशन इज़ द की. आप अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट कर पाते हो, आपके व्हाट आइडियाज़ यू आर एबल टू कन्वे, देन देयर इज़ नो सच चांस दैट यू विल नॉट कन्वर्ट इट. You just have to speak what the interviewer expects from you, and that's all. That's how I converted NIBM. So
correct. And you might have done something good here. You not if marks is just not one of things. The academic crowd अच्छा होगा या फिर extracurricular songs are there or you have experience. So whatever the main area, highlight that area.
Sir, being a finance college, if you could just read about the recent happenings or what is going around in the finance industry, like what is India's story. If you could, have some knowledge about it, and the same thing is going to, they do not expect you to know everything, but you just need to know certain general knowledge about finance world and what's happening in India, and that's sufficient, I guess, to crack an interview.
Correct. CMAT 99 percentile. अभी शायद नाम चेंज हो गया, CUT आ रहा है. So let's hope कि वो CUT होता है कि CMAT रहता है. So that's why पहले हमने वीडियो में डाल दिया था कि कल को CUT हो गया, we can still have the same video. Apart from GK and innovation, everything is same, maths, verbal, logic. एंड आई बिलीव इट्स बेटर फॉर स्टूडेंट्स कि जीके के एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ना नहीं पड़ेगा. तो जो 12 मार्क देते हैं भी 6 मार्क में शायद काम हो जाएगा. सो व्हेन कम टू द CMAT थिंग, CUT थिंग विच आर एग्जाम गिविंग, डू यू हैव दैट ऑर्डर फिक्स कि पहले मैथ्स करना है कि वर्बल करना है कि जो पहला क्वेश्चन आया चालू हो गया? व्हाट वाज योर प्लान ऑन द एग्जाम डे?
So for me, I went by my strength. जो अच्छा आता था, I did that first. I went for maths first, and then I did verbal second. Then I did reasoning third, and GK was last. Because in GK or innovation, entrepreneurship, if you know, you know. You don't, you know, don't.
Just mark down.
Yeah, just mark down. Yes.
So what I recommend is, if that is the case, do GK first, GK innovation, because 40 questions you are done in 15 minutes. So that confidence level goes up कि चलो अभी आधा काम हो गया, बस 60 क्वेश्चन remaining. So but you do experiment because everyone have their own strategies. So please do experiment. ऊपर नीचे करके देखो, because it can backfire as well, because if you're not able to solve any GK question, then you're gone. Then अरे कुछ भी नहीं आता तो गया तुम्हारा फिर. So how about you? Did you have the order fixed? And
Sir,
when you said you didn't perform as good as you were expecting, so where you went wrong? या हम for students what advice you like to give कि क्या किया जाए?
सर अभी मैंने जैसे बोला कि अगर 10-12 मार्क्स देते हो तो यू एक्सपेक्ट योर स्कोर टू गुड टू बी गुड. सो जब एग्ज़ाम था, एक्चुअली आई वेंट थ्रू मैथ्स, LR, देन ऑल दोस थिंग, एंड लास्टली एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. सो मुझे बाद में लगा कि मैंने पहले, जैसे आपने बोला अभी, जीके और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कर लिया तो एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है. तो फिर वो कॉन्फिडेंस से आप बाकी क्वेश्चंस करोगे तो यू कैन स्कोर मोर, आई फील. तो आई गेस दैट वो गलती हो गया, लेकिन फिर भी
डोंट चेंज योर स्ट्रेटजी इन लास्ट मोमेंट.
यस,
ठीक है. एक सेइंग है जो नॉर्मली यूज़ कि नमक स्वाद अनुसार, जितना स्वाद है उतना नमक डालो. अटेम्प्ट अपनी औकात अनुसार, जो तुम्हारा मॉक में हो रहा है वैसे ही करो. डोंट चेंज द प्लान. इफ यू डूइंग मैथ्स इन द एंड, डू मैथ्स इन द एंड. पीपल चेंज लास्ट जाकर, दे चेंज द स्ट्रेटजी, दे डू अप एंड डाउन. उसकी वजह से गड़बड़ हो जाता है. ऑफ कोर्स यू एंडेड इन अ गुड कॉलेज, दैट्स ऑब्वियसली विद थैंक्स टू गॉड, बट डोंट डू दैट लास्ट मिनट. डोंट नो चेंजेस एट ऑल.
Yes.
So great, yeah. Thank you very much for talking to us. Thank you, and all
Thank
the best.
you, sir.
All the best. And both of them got job as well. She have got through Tata Capital.
Yes.
And you are placed in
HSBC
Bank.
Yes.
So good, यार, good. That's one advantage of going to good college.
Yeah.
2 साल तुम environment भी अच्छा मिलता है और job भी मिलता है अच्छा with good pay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So much.